These legendary movie guns sold for insane prices at auction. But here are some facts that many people didn't know. First up, Dirty Harry's .357, Model 29. Auction price, $97,750 in 2008. Clint Eastwood's Smith & Wesson Model 29 from Dirty Harry made this revolver world famous. Chambered in .44 Magnum, it's the most powerful handgun in the world. But by 1971, there were actually more powerful handguns like the .454 Casull. 2. James Bond's Walther PPK. The iconic Walther PPK from Dr. No, used by Sean Connery, was auctioned for a whopping $256,000 in 2020. Introduced in 1931, the PPK was one of the first guns designed for concealment by law enforcement.